What is up guys, Stan on the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam won't login without the correct email and password. So first you need to head over to any of the browser and then you need to search for the Steam server by just typing steamstat.us, and after that simply hit enter, and then this will show you the official Steam status. So if the status is not working, this might show an issue here, but as you can see everything is normal and the status of the Steam is correct and normal. So just simply close it. After that, head over to settings. After heading over to the settings, here you need to go to time and language. After that, you need to click on date and time, and you need to make sure that the set time automatically is turned on. And after that, you need to head over to network and internet, and from here you need to click on VPN, and you need to make sure that if any of the VPN that you have added is disconnected. Yes guys, the VPN should be disconnected, and then you can just simply open the Steam application and then relog in. Or if it still doesn't work, simply search for Steam application, right click on it and then run as administrator and then log in. Then this will solve this issue. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.